Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a POCO F5 Pro, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the app which will provide us with the keyboard, so the languages, notes, browser, any kind of chats, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen and then enter the settings. Tap on the languages, and this is the list of currently applied languages, so let's tap on Add Keyboard to open the list of them. And as you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from, so I'm pretty sure that you will find the language you'd like to use. Of course, you don't have to swipe just like I'm doing it here. You can simply tap on the search area. I just wanted to swipe to show you how many languages we've got. Alright, after finding it, just tap on it and pick the region. Sometimes you will also be able to pick the keyboard type, and it depends on the language, because sometimes it will be like 2 or 3 different types, and sometimes up to 7 different keyboard types. So I think I'd like to use this one, so now let me tick this option and untick this option. And I'm sorry for the drilling if you can hear it. Alright, so I've marked this one and just tap on done. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied to the list, so let's go back. And here we've got our keyboard, and basically we've got 2 differences. Only one is visible right now, the language key, so the globe icon, thanks to which we can change the language. As you can see, it's that easy. What is more, we've got the name of the language on the spacebar, which is a second difference, so we can always check which one we've got applied. So this is how to add the language to the keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you don't really want to have like 2 or 3 different languages added, you just want to have one, and that's all. So then all you have to do is to enter the settings, tap on the languages, and here in this step we have to tap on this edit icon and now mark the language you'd like to remove. So let me pick Urdu, I want to remove it, and the trash bin icon. I've got only English left, and as you can see, we do not have the globe icon, the spacebar is empty, which simply means that we just successfully left only one language. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.